Hey everybody, I'm back again and I'm going to show you something else with cauliflower today. Thank you so very much for subscribing and for liking and for sharing and for letting this video be viewed. And I thank you really, if you're really getting some value out of what I'm doing, please let me know. I appreciate it, and please keep on watching and please keep on sharing. And you need any comments, just the comments will be down on the bottom. So today I'm going to make some cauliflower fried rice with some vegetable and some steak that I had left over. So this is something I'm going to eat for lunch, and it was delicious. So I just want to show you what else you can do with cauliflower and some of your leftover meat if you have it, okay, if you want it. Or without meat, whatever you want to do. You don't have to put meat in if you don't want to. So you can do this any kind of way. So I like meat. I'm putting meat in. That's what I'm doing. Okay. I already put some sesame seed oil. I put the sesame seed oil in here. This is just regular sesame seed oil. And I also put a little bit of the toasted sesame seed oil in my wok. I bought this wok a few weeks ago. I've been trying it out, and I really like it. And if you like Chinese food and you use the sesame seed oil, you really think you're in a Chinese restaurant right now. So I'm trying to get this oil to be kind of on the hot side so that I can start cooking. And the first thing I'm going to put in there is my steak. I'm putting my steak in, and this steak I made last week, and it's medium well, and we ate most of it. So I bought the steak from Costco, a big pack, and we ate maybe half of it, and the other half is still here. I cooked it all because I was going to do this recipe, and the steak was delicious, and we still got some left, so I'm going to use it in this recipe. Now I'm going to just put it in. And I just want this steak to get warm. That's all it needs to really do, because it's really cooked already. It was in the refrigerator. And I just want it to be warm. So I'm going to let it warm through for about 2 or 3 minutes. And I'm taking it right out of here. Alexa, stop. Okay, so I must have had this on maybe about 4 minutes. And now I'm going to just take it right out of the pan, put it back in here, and it's going to sit here and wait for me. There's still a little oil left in here, which is perfectly fine. I'm going to put just a drop more in, just a drop. And that's it. Now, I'm going to do an egg. 2 eggs, real quick. One. Two. Stir this up real quick. It's a messy looking egg, but it's okay. That's what we want, a little messy looking. Don't have to be all the way done, just a little bit cooked. Quickly cooked. That's it. There we go. Put that in here with our steak. Then I'm actually going to wipe it out and keep going. As you see, this pan is very, very nice. It wipes right out very nicely. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in. And just a little bit more oil. Here you go. And the next thing, we'll toast it too. A little bit more here. Just a drop. Here we go. The next thing I'm going to put in is is cauliflower. This cauliflower, I took a head of cauliflower and I used half in my mashed potato. Now I'm going to put the rest of it in here. And I'm just going to stir it up for about a minute. Just get it right. That's all I want. Here's the rest of the cauliflower. And you think you got rice in here. Because it's cauliflower rice, so you got some rice in here. I'm going to stir this up. Alexa, give me a 1 minute timer.
1 minute, starting now.
Thank you. Thank you, Alexa. So I'm going to keep stirring this. Let it get warm. This is a vegetable. You could eat it really without cooking it if you want. So I'm just giving it a little zhuzh in this pan. Alexa, stop. Okay, so it's been on for a minute. I'm going to actually put a little bit of this classic stir-fry sauce in it, just a drop. I don't want too much salty thing in there, so I'm going to just put a drop in. I'm going to put some low-sodium soy sauce in. This is low-sodium soy sauce. I'm going to put a drop in here, too, of that. And I'm going to put in, actually, a little bit of garlic here. Just a smidgen. Just a drop of garlic here. This is crushed garlic. Got my crushed garlic in here. And I am going to put in my scallions. I got some scallions I cut up. And I'm going to throw them in there right now. And put a little bit of sea salt. No salt seasoning, just a drop. Not too much of this. Got all kinds of stuff in it. And a little bit of onion powder. Just put that in there. Sprinkle it in. And I'm going to put some sriracha in here. So this stuff is a little hot and spicy. So just a couple of those squirts in here. Not too much. I don't like that spicy. I like spicy, but not crazy spicy. So that's what I'm putting in here. Stir it up for a little bit longer. There we go. And you actually see that this cauliflower looks like fried rice. If you guys ever had fried rice, it looks like fried rice. It smells like fried rice. With some eggs, it tastes like fried rice. If you didn't want to put meat in, you just put the eggs in, you got fried rice right here. Fried cauliflower rice. But I put some meat in here, because I like meat. Some other people like meat too. So, here we go. And the next thing I'm putting in is some mixed vegetables. Frozen mixed vegetables. I'm going to throw them in, this whole bag of frozen mixed vegetables going in very nicely. Very good. It smells really, really good. And I'm going to put a little bit of beef broth in here. This is like a cup and a half. I don't think I'm going to use the whole thing. Maybe about a cup. Yeah, about a cup so far in here. I'm going to throw that in here just to give it, let it cook down. Yeah. Just a little bit. Just needs to cook for like another, I'll let it cook for like 5 minutes so it defrosts. So, Alexa, please give me a 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. Thank you, Alexa. Thank you, Alexa. Okay, we got about 2 minutes or so left, I think. So right about now, I'm going to go put the steak and the eggs right back in it. Just put it right in. Alexa, give me a 1-minute timer.
1 minute, starting now.
Thank you. Thank you, Alexa. Now, when I tell you that this stuff is good, oh my God, it is good. So this will be my lunch for the week. This stuff is delicious. It has no rice in it, it has no starch in it, and it has vegetables in it, and it's delicious, delicious. So now all this really needs to do is heat through. It's done. It's done. It could use some salt, I guess, if you want it. I'll try it, see what I think. I don't really want to put too much more salt in it. Now I'm going to take a little bit out, although it's very, very hot. But that's how I like to eat my food. And I ain't lying. That's how I like to eat my food, hot. Hot. Good stuff. Good stuff. So if you really want to take your leftovers, you want to do something healthy with them, and add some cauliflower and some vegetables, and just mix it all together real fast. You got yourself some stir-fried cauliflower rice, and it's delicious. Delicious. You put as much seasoning as you want in there or not, but it's good. So try it. Okay, people, thank you so much for coming in and watching my cauliflower, and I will see you soon. Have a good day.